Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, before we get into the reasoning, Run Dancehall, the official music video Vybz Kartel featuring Lisa Mercedes is out now from the Vybz Kartel Radio Vivo. Mama Jewelry Game up. Vybz Kartel's lyrical content impeccable. Now, viewers and subscribers, also as stated and promised, the Busta Rhymes featuring Vybz Kartel is also out as well. You can find that on Busta Rhymes Vivo. Now, there's a line in the chat, viewers and subscribers, from Vybz Kartel verse, which me have to mention. Xerxes get victories. Certain people get dismissed. Conglomerates in business. That is dancehall and hip-hop. Now, viewers and subscribers, the Alkaline track are the music video for that track, Cream. Some people have said they are shade for Vybz Kartel in that music video. But see what them a try to do. But Vybz Kartel's verse in a diss track, which Rolling Stones has already put on their website, nobody now talk about Alkaline them, already a worldwide hit, and it just released today. There was no previews, nobody never know what it would sound like or nothing, just drop. And Busta Rhymes don't release a video on him Vivo since him release. Chris Rock a talk about him album. Years now, Busta not release nothing. Shake the world with this feature. Now, in other music video viewers and subscribers, there are a couple things that I want to mention. But notice this. In the song, they must say, Craftman, a Vybz Kartel. Some people in the comment section even have mentioned that the picture look like the picture that Vybz Kartel used with his hands crossed, like Egyptian royalty, as what looked like the mural where that's a Craftman. Now, if it was a 9-night, why was there a urn with ashes in it? Him jump out of the vehicle and the people who were mourning what was there, the urn and the picture. On the wall it marked vendetta. It seems like this was Alkaline's own fans. When other fans them have turned against, we don't know what kind of infighting and take place in the vendetta camp. We know so him and Mov not really that good at this point, because Mov was not booked for his show. Nor was Jamil booked for his show. Him booked Insect and some other artists, Sonia them and some other artists, but Movado and Patriots were not a part of the show lineup. So we know so something will take place there. We don't know if he might try to use this as some farmer, you know what I mean? We have to get attention to the music video, because people don't really care about this track. It's a juggling rhythm where they drop long time. In night it sound like him that refer to things we happen long time. Now in the song he must say 9-night, but in the music video it look like a memorial. Him confused. It was a confused track and him drop a confused music video. Just stating the facts. Just stating the facts. Now we hear them talk about friend this and friend that. Why is it that in a film music video all juvenile I get it, ladies I get it? What am I do? After the teacher already stated say, we not touch woman and pitney. That's what him a state say him a doing a theme song. Him wrong feet. Like the music video. We saw them a try aim for. But the casting, the person who write the script for the video, it was harsh. You have to remember the times. You have to remember the situation locally. If you ever say you'll be a leader, an influential character, you have to know where you try influence and put out there. Even when the teacher drops his hardcore dancehall lyrical content, he always show you a mindset of where these stars would forward from. In a Tony Montana, him say nobody feel like you can come for it. And in the music video, him depict some people that try forward feel and show you what take place. It was different from a music video like this where some people are saying them a carry out a rampage. Them get dismissed. Tell them on a certain go. Even Xerxes the Babylonian king did get victories, but he fall. We don't know who Alkalines them feel like them is in a dancehall music, but the energy and the vibe must them put out. No, this is not it. This is not it. And as you see, it not get the reaction then either. As bad as the song was, I'm gonna mean bad in a good way. I mean not well prepared. It did get a better reaction than the music video. And now who tell them say this is that strategy? We put out songs months apart and put out even videos for the songs months apart as well. Oh, what kind of strategy they might implement? See it? So them tell Intense one whole heap of things and Intense follow them and look at reach Intense. Drop from him label. Subsequently even him party get dropped too. Just by association. Them confused in the game. Youth, do not play naive. Do not be deceived by these characters in the industry. There are no longevity in these moves. There are no longevity in these songs. They are not music with substance. Storytelling at its basic, but at the same time, the stories that them are telling are not stories worth mentioning. And the stories that people are like listen to. Confused track with a confused music video. All them do are add subliminals to it. Joke. This not really make no sense. I can't really see the sense in the music video. Yes, I see the shadow pick. And no doubt, the shadow pick was from Vybz Kartel's Kingston Story album cover. But other than that, what they mean by R.I.P. I must fame career I'm talking about. I don't understand. Or the fact say, I say, I'm going to stop follow Vybz Kartel. I don't know. Because I don't see him stop follow the teacher. Him not have no other style for himself. So go take the style and go and bust with it there. Him not have no style for himself now. Go say him stop write song for him. Completely. So, what go on? More of these confused concepts. And that we're going to see. I feel like that we're going to see. More of these confused concepts. Nothing more. There will be nothing more than more confused concepts, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section though. All 3 videos out. We are lead by quality. Film video dark. You can be listen to what I want. One of our videos is a lyrical video. You see the words that we are saying. You can overstand. Film things a lyrical video too, but I don't know where I try to point out. Maybe just try to follow. Run Dancehall, which we drop a music video for this track, even though this track was out for quite some time. But look on the level of artistry. Our music video is on a different level. You know, see, we are showcase dancehall. What them are showcase? Aspect of the country where we are trying to fix. Them are trying to show an aspect of the country where we are trying to fix. Who them? Who is them in a dancehall music? What them do? What are their contributions? Talk to me in the comment section. This is a question I'm asking you. The fans of dancehall music. Well, it's not all artists. How we know there's something. Tell me what you feel like after them contributions. I can't see it. I can't see it. As a matter of fact, some of their actions have even hurt dancehall. Put dancehall up in a levels where, remember, he was one of the artists that go over dancehall with the fans overseas and do the song with a youth named A Boogie. They must say, yo, who the youth here? And they must say, I can't want dancehall artists. And him actually brought a negative vibe to dancehall music. And unlike Vybz Kartel with the features with these major superstars, and all we can hear is, you know, respects, praise. All the people are say, yo, Jenna, we're glad for you that song, and that song is that do something for. That's all we hear. We don't hear that when them do music. Because the impact is not there. They might title them song as such, but what them do for the culture, for the genre, must still ask that question there. Waiting for an answer. You can take the time. Comment section is always open. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon that we know, drop a like on the blog for me, like where your share icon is in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. Yeah, man, now, more settings, fam. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.